Hello YouTubers, welcome back to GQ Auto Diagnostics and Repair. Here with a 2005 Chrysler Town & Country with a 3.3 6-cylinder automatic front-wheel drive, and we are going to be doing another engine mount. This time we're going to be doing the center, front, lower, underneath the radiator engine mount. So it's very straightforward. What I'm gonna do first, I'm gonna start talking a little bit about what you guys gonna see. Let me show you. Okay. Here is the engine mount, right here. Okay. Pretty straightforward. And out a bolt, 1, 2, 3 bolts. This drop, swap it, and pretty much we done. But the thing that I want to talk about a little bit before I start replacing this, you will see in the video here, obviously you see all they're wet, some oil leak, and I just want to take a minute before somebody say, hey, what are you replacing the engine mount if it's leaking oil, and that oil is going to damage the rubber and it's gonna go back to square one. Well, I'm going to fix the oil leaks. That's not an issue. The only thing that I wanted to talk about is how oil leaks are diagnostic. Sometimes people come and look at it here on the bottom and say, oh, it's the oil pan is leaking. And it's possible that it can be the issue, yes. But oil leaks, if you want to fix an oil leak accurately, you have to start from the top of the engine. You have to go start looking at the top of the engine, because gravity starts from the work from top to bottom. Whatever's on the top is going to find its way all the way down, because that's how gravity works. And I see many times the technicians or people complain about oil leaks and say, hey, the oil pan is bad. And they fix the oil pan, customer goes away a day or two, and it's like, customer come back and say, hey, I still have an oil leak. And after that, they're like, oh yeah, you have something else going on. Okay, so to prevent that, you have to start from the top. Right here on the valve cover, you can see this valve cover is barely starts seeping right here, okay? But if we would look a little farther into it, you can see right there, you can see wet. So the rear valve cover, it is, let me see if I can get you a better angle, it's leaking more. Okay, it's leaking more, but also look like the intake manifold, the gasket is leaking. I can see a little bit right there, right here. Probably it's not very good in the video. A little bit of rust, calcification from the antifreeze. That's why I'm going to replace that. Okay. So here you probably can see it maybe a little bit better. Right there. Right where the light is. Right in between the engine man bracket. There's some oil there, but on the back, right there, you can see how wet it is. So that's the things that got to be fixed first, the valve cover and the intake manifold, okay, before we get into any other diagnostics. Now, one more thing that I noticed is here, you can see right here in the middle it's kind of dry, okay. So here in the front you can see it's wet, but also right here on this part, look like that the crankshaft seal, the front crankshaft seal is leaked too. So I'll replace the crankshaft seal, the valve covers, the intake manifold gasket. I will power wash the engine, okay, top to bottom. Obviously I will test it and I see if you have any other issue. So that's pretty much it. Anyhow, I just wanted to touch that a little bit before we get into the repair. Let me get this so we can just keep going. Again, if you haven't done it yet, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, comment, share the video, so that can help me with the YouTube algorithm, and keep, that's the way to tell me that you like what I'm doing and it worth my time, taking the time to film this video, because it does take quite a bit of time and I can work a little bit faster if I'm not filming. But anyhow, I'm trying to pay it forward and help other people to save money and get the repair and diagnostics done correctly the first time. Okay, so right here, it's a 15mm. Okay, so you can see here that engine mount is damaged. Okay, it's already broken. It's all dry and no good. Here we have the new engine mount, again right from the dealer. It's a customer's request. That's great. So it just goes like this. One, two, three. The bolts, all three bolts here, they're the same length, so we don't have to worry about that. Now we can let it rest by itself. I'm going to leave the torque specs and the description below for you guys to read if you guys want to torque it. And $15mm, 50mm wrench. So you guys can replace this, and that is pretty much it for this repair. Again, hit that subscribe button, that notification bell, like the video, share the video, comment. I would really appreciate it if you haven't done it already. If you did, thank you so much. Appreciate your support. I got more videos coming. I just gotta finish editing them so I can just upload them and you guys can learn more if that's what you try to do, or find a way to repair your own vehicle in an affordable way. But the more important, do it right the first time. That's the key. Here in GQ Auto Diagnostics and Repair, our job, my job, is to save you money. So again, thank you so much for watching. God bless, do your best, and forget the rest. And happy repairs. See you on the next video. Peace.